between them was the diet that they were raised on, and so this was really the determining factor for the difference in their personalities between those that were aggressive and violent and those who were gentle and peace-loving.
Tindi ini ngaco karsi tazatona, tini suso shika yakbo yongwatang, nyarji tang damba tindi yongwatang, tini karsi mazuna, tini shika kyombo yongwatang, shika sim hajang tini sibmu, diksib, tindi yongwatela, tini tsarik toni zegona, tindi demba rashtrut, tindi shongwares.
So the idea that eating a vegetarian diet produces positive results in terms of one's personality or character, and that eating a meat diet produces negative results is something that scientists in the 20th century were able to prove through scientific means.
Teni ngaco motang miwar katini mjirwa yenanja, teni ngaco motang teni rangshung kam kawar kumjirwa yenanja, teni ngaco motang chokchak kawar kumjirwa yenanja, ti mjirwa ti yakpuz yongda mayong, ngaco simla raglegres.
So whether or not the relationship between people, or between people and the environment, or people and and animals, ultimately whether the relationship between all of these is a positive one, is a good one, really depends on the human mind.
Tani ta ngaco teni sha mazawa teni teni yongsona, teni ngaco mi semde teni ta jiwa yonggandoze, teni ngaco sem ganangla, teni kongcho, teni diksib sem majiwa tang, teni nyangji tang, jiwa tang, jambo tang, teni yongda mayongde, teni ngaco shirtang ngaco mog shika la yang teni raglegandoze, yenna yang ngaco teni mog shawa tang, shopa tang, teni mog chosten tang, mog zama tang, tiso la yang halipa raglegandoze.
So while we usually understand a person's personality, whether they're gentle and calm and peaceful, or whether they're turbulent and angry and aggressive, we usually attribute these things to just the simple personality of a person. But in actual fact, these things also hinge upon the kinds of behavior that a person characteristically engages in, including the kind of diet they consume.
Teni ngaco semte teni yakbo tangmo teni yongda mayongda ngaco korigla yang raglepa yores.
And in fact, whether our personalities, our minds do achieve a good state is also reliant on the external environment.
Pena ngaco khau kanangla teni ayang yangchi yang ayang te hajang mambo yosona teni ngaco sem pez tezma tmo yongwa jawota teni ayang long te nyong da boyena rigpa ya tammo yongwa jawo teni yores aso karlang khau tela.
So, for example, in environments where there's a lot of an excess of oxygen in the air, then often our intellect or our mental capacities become dull. Whereas if we're in a situation where the oxygen is somewhat slightly lesser, then our mental faculties become sharper.
Teni ngaco rungun thombola teni to ronken ga renjak ba choyina teni korang so kable mambo gyamni rungola droni rungun thombo tela thon songwine kna teni ta rungun thombo teni mar ndig jagna teni khoso semde ha leba ga teni mar jiwa ngaco mchi shikbo nangla teni nyamnyong yo mamnyong wa teni hajang ga sim jiwa dang hajang ga kibo teni yonggo yores renjak ba chola.
So mountain climbers who go through much arduous effort to reach the top of a mountain, upon doing so, often experience a profound sense of peacefulness flooding through their minds. And there are many people who really like this kind of lifestyle of mountaineering.
Teni ti gimsen kare zina ngaco rungun thombola teni khau kanangla teni ayang nyong ma to yo mares.
And the reason for this is because in high altitude contexts or situations there is very little oxygen in the air.
Teni ti gimsen ki kozo sem haliba jemo teni yongres.